there? All right, I'm here at that same place as the loop. I had to turn into it. I cannot see a thing. There's debris and stuff just flying everywhere. Yeah, I guess that's what knocked me off from you. I'm still sitting. I had to turn around and face west into it. Right after that dropped, I got a wind gust of 64 miles an hour, and the dirt and debris and everything, I mean, just spoiled debris, trash and all that kind of stuff started hitting, and I literally cannot see 3 feet right now, and I'm sitting right at the loop. I've gotten gusts up to 76 miles per hour since I've been sitting here.